Official from Diagnosis School, Bihar branch. As we are studying, so we have finished 5 chapters of our science book. That is, those are living and non-living things, parts of plants, animals and their eating habits, and birds behavior. I have taught these all chapters, and last one is our body. I have taught these all 5 chapters, and also I have solved all questions from of these chapters. And in previous weeks I have also revised these chapters and their question answers, quick assignments. So your second online test is very near, so you have to revise and prepare yourselves to appear in second online test to perform well. Today I will again teach and revise your 5th chapter, our body. Students, as you have studied in my previous lectures, you have learned about our body. So first point from this chapter, that is composition of our body. How human body is formed. So basic unit of our body is cell. Cell is the structural and functional unit of our body. So a smallest unit of our body is cell. When so many cells are mixed, tissue is formed. When similar tissues are formed, organ is formed, and when so many organs are mixed, organ system is formed, and so many organ systems are combined and form body of human body of any organism, and by this way human body is formed. So our body is combination of so many organ system, and their basic unit is cell. Cell is the smallest unit of our body. So mainly all organs perform their special functions, and when all organs perform their functions, our body performs so many activities for living. So there are 8 organ systems. 8 organ systems are found in our body to carry on our life. These organ systems are a skeletal system, muscular system, digestive system, circulatory system, respiratory system, excretory system, nervous system, and reproductive system. These all organ systems have their special function, which all functions are essential for survival of life and existence of life on the earth. If any organ of our organ system do not work properly, then our functioning of our body become disturbed, and hence it is very necessary to perform all organs well. Simultaneously with these organ systems, we have also some special organ by which we know outside of the world, and the organs by which we know outside of the world are called as sense organs. Sense organs are those organs by which we know outside of the world. These 5 organs are eye, ear, nose, tongue and skin. And by these organs we do different functions to know outside world. By eye we see, by ear we hear, by nose smell, by tongue we taste, and by skin we feel touch. Similarly, in our organ system, a skeletal system gives shape to our body. Muscular system combine with a skeletal system and help in movement of our body. Muscular system. Digestive system help in taking food, means for eating, help in eating and also help in digestion of food. Circulatory system help in circulation of nutrients, and the medium is blood. Respiratory system help in breathing and respiration of our body to produce energy in our body. Nervous system help in transmission of messages and help to communicate different organs of our body. Nervous system. Excretory system, when we intake food, some food materials, some food parts remain undigested, so undigested food is removed with the help of excretory system. And last is excretory system. Reproductive system is the system by which our human life continues on the earth. Reproductive system is the organ system by which any organism produce same kinds of young ones. So these are organ systems by which existence of life is possible in our surroundings, and if organ system do not work properly, our life become in danger. So with the help of organ systems and their organs, and similarly with the help of sense organs, any organism live their life and continue their life on the earth. So these are revision lecture for your 5th chapter, our body. I hope you all have prepared well for your next online test, and I wish better performance in your second online test. So for today, thanks. And if you have any problem related to these 5 chapters, you may ask any question during class time or any time. So thanks. Best of luck for online test. Thank you. Have a nice day.